mysteries! Welcome back to my channel! Today I am doing Mal's wedding nails. These are the nails I believe Mal will have for her wedding. So first off, always start with the base coat. This is by Essie and it is my favorite. Now, I'm going to take my favorite purple nail polish. This is by the brand Zoya, and it's in the color Giada. You're going to paint all of your nails purple, except for the one closest to your pinky. You're going to paint that one a different color. The next color you're going to use is a gold. My favorite one is by Essie and it's in the shade Penny Talk. The easiest way to get French nails at home is to put a piece of tape down, leaving only the tip of your nails available for painting. You're going to use your gold nail polish on the tips of your purple nails, and you're going to use your purple nail polish on the tip of your gold nail. Pro tip, before you put the tape on your nail, warm it up on the back of your hand, that way it'll be less sticky and it'll be easier to remove. Now your nails are going to look really awesome at this point, but if you want to take it up a notch, keep watching. A little glitter trick, put it on a disposable makeup sponge so you can get a precise application. You're going to do this for all of your nails with the gold tips, and then you're going to do it on the gold half of your purple tip. I didn't realize this until after I had already finished my nails, but I should have put a piece of tape on the purple French tip to make it easier to put the gold glitter on my gold base. My nail art is done, and I'm going to finish this whole thing off with a clear top coat. And I'm done! Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button, the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and please share the video. And please stay a beautiful mystery. Bye!